What if I told you this is not an S-Class, not an EQS, but a CLE? This is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE, and it may be one of the most beautiful silent revolutions Mercedes has ever created. A coupe that blends luxury, technology, and futuristic elegance in a way that feels straight out of 2030, yet it's arriving right now. Stay with me because this design hides far more innovation than you might expect. At first glance, the front of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE instantly tells you this is a new era Mercedes. The traditional grille is replaced by a gloss black digital panel that stretches cleanly between ultra-slim LED headlights. The illuminated Mercedes-Benz script glows confidently across the front, clearly signaling Mercedes' move into the digital identity era. The headlights are razor-thin and sharp, with a calm yet intimidating light signature. From the side, the CLE looks absolutely stunning. This is a true coupe silhouette done right, with a long, flowing roofline, frameless doors, flush door handles, and near-perfect proportions. The body surfaces are incredibly clean, with subtle creases that catch the light instead of shouting for attention. Large, aerodynamic wheels with a futuristic turbine design enhance both style and efficiency. This side profile feels like a perfect blend of classic CLS elegance and modern EQ smoothness. At the rear, the CLE becomes unmistakably modern. A full-width, ultra-thin LED taillight bar stretches across the back, glowing red with illuminated Mercedes-Benz lettering seamlessly integrated within it. There is no unnecessary chrome and no visual clutter, just precision and balance. The trunk surface is clean and sculpted, while the lower bumper integrates a subtle black diffuser that emphasizes width and stability. Even at night, this car doesn't shout for attention, it simply glows. When it comes to performance, Mercedes hasn't revealed final specifications yet, but expectations are clear. The CLE is expected to offer advanced, mild hybrid turbo engines, highly efficient plug-in hybrid options, and potentially a fully electric variant in the future. Acceleration will be smooth and effortless, with intelligent energy recovery and a driving character focused on refinement rather than aggression. Step inside, and the CLE feels like a concept car brought to life. The dashboard is dominated by a full-width digital display that seamlessly merges the driver instrument cluster with the central infotainment system. The steering wheel feels futuristic yet familiar, with touch-sensitive controls and a clean Mercedes emblem at the center. The center console features a floating, holographic-style interface, displaying a 3D vehicle visualization, pushing the cabin firmly into the next generation of automotive UI. Materials throughout the interior feel soft, bright, and premium, with light-colored leather, minimalist trim, and subtle ambient lighting flowing through the cabin. The panoramic glass roof fills the interior with natural light, making the CLE feel open, calm, and incredibly modern. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE is not just another coupe. It represents the end of traditional Mercedes design language and the rise of illuminated branding and digital identity. It serves as a bridge between combustion, hybrid, and electric futures, proving that Mercedes can be futuristic without losing its soul. So is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE the most elegant coupe of the new generation? If luxury, design, harmony, and future-ready technology matter to you, the answer might be yes. Let me know in the comments whether you would choose the CLE over rivals like the BMW 4 Series or Audi A5, and whether you love this illuminated Mercedes design direction. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next futuristic car breakdown.